I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your security with KeyBank, enabling two-factor authentication is a great step. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your KeyBank account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the settings or profile option, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the two-factor authentication option. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via text message or an authentication app. Make your choice and follow the prompts to set it up. Quick gotcha: if you choose the authentication app, make sure to download it before this step. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your preferred method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your setup and save the changes. Now you're all set. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your KeyBank account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.